How's it going, everybody? Just watched my Aggies win in the 7th overtime, 74-72. So definitely stoked about that. I had to go to Target on Black Friday to get my 20% off coupon. Didn't really see anything. My Target has not had any Prism. Been getting all these Prism boxes from Walmart. They've been pretty stocked, but Target's been pretty slim pickings. I did grab one of these Rookie and Star value packs, or whatever you want to call them, about hanger boxes. Pretty steep for $14.99, but figured I'd try them out. I know Hobby's coming out on Cyber Monday in 2 days. I know I'm in Snod's break, and I got into a couple more Fire Hand. I'm not sure if you get anything guaranteed out of these. Let's see. Get some purple parallels. Loved Rookies and Stars 2017. Get a big old chunky pack. I'm out here on my son's dinner table. Got his airplane and choo-choo. He loves airplanes and trains. Here is your base. Like I said, it's Rookies and Stars have always been basic. Alan Hearns. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of the what do they call them? The little Target exclusive boxes for $50. Cousins. There's a Brady. Kareem Hunt, Foreman, Aaron Rodgers, Kelvin Benjamin, Big Ben. Trying to get used to this setup. Russell Wilson. Clay Matthews. Brandon Cooks. Ton of base. McCaffrey, Tyrod. I know the veterans have the Rookies and Stars on the bottom. Khalil Mack, and the rookies are on the top. Alright, so we got our first purple parallel. Calvin Ridley. Not a bad one. Hopefully he comes back next year. Second one is going to be Larry Fitz. Yeah, that is purple. And third, we got a Rashaan Evans for the Titans. There you go. Precision Passers, Baker Mayfield red. Not numbered or anything. Not sure if you can get numbered parallels out of these. I like the boxes. $50 boxes. Evan Ingram, touchdown club. Action packed. Got a Big Ben. Standing ovation Brady. That's nice with Josh Rosen. Rookies. Rookie Rush. Nice looking card. Sam Darnold. Some nice rookies back to back. Le'Veon Bell touchdown club. And this is, let's see. This is going to be all rookies. Dante Pettis. Deshaun Hamilton, Dallas Goedert, Chase Edmonds, got a Tremaine Edmonds, Josh Allen rookie, Justin Reed rookie from my Texans PC, Darius Geis, hopefully he comes back next year healthy, Marquise Scantling, Micah Kaiser. Let's see, Harold Landry, Nick Chubb, he's having a great season. Arden Key, Traquan Smith, see a lot of his name in retail. We got a Rashaan Evans and a Kid Reporter. So that was it. Actually quite a bit of value, a lot of rookies, some nice inserts. Like I said, $14, $15, kind of steep. But I did enjoy the break, hope you guys did too.